It's happening a lot right now. You're most likely going to call for roadside assistance. And joining us live this afternoon to talk through the best way to get service and some of those safety suggestions, we welcome Regina Ali with AAA. Regina, thanks so much for being with us.
Sure. Good afternoon. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Of course, I can only imagine the volume of calls to AAA right now in our area. What have you been seeing on your end?
Sure. So I can tell you that typically at AAA during the winter, we may see nationwide about 600,000 calls per week, just to kind of put that in perspective. That being said, on Sunday, our call volume was relatively low in comparison to what we usually see, seeing that most people were, for the most part, taking the advice of transportation and elected officials and staying off the roadway. So on Sunday, our numbers, DC, Maryland, and Virginia, we were about nearly 1,100 calls for service on Sunday. And the majority of our calls on Sunday were for people who had actually gotten stuck in the snow and weren't able to stay home for whatever reason. That being said, our call volume has certainly picked up over the last few days as people try to venture out. So between Sunday and Monday, we responded to nearly 3,700 calls for service in total. That was just in DC, Maryland, and in AAA Club Alliance's territory of Virginia. And today, midday, I just got the updated numbers from my colleague before I jumped on. We're at almost 3,000 calls just for today alone. So yeah, it's certainly seeing record record calls for service, particularly as people start to kind of dig out and try to head back out. While we were initially seeing calls for people stranded and stuck, perhaps, now we're seeing more of those calls that we remind people about before the snow hits. Make sure your battery's in good shape. Make sure your tires are in good shape, because we're seeing more of those sorts of calls, battery-related calls, particularly across the DMV.
Different type of call now. And as you said, things are picking back up. Okay, yes. Regina, we know since the snow, it's not going anywhere for a few days. You know, I know crews are working to get it cleared. If you find yourself stuck on the street, residential area, you know, what is the best way to get service?
Sure. Well, obviously, we hope you're a AAA member and you'll call us. Obviously, we're prioritizing those calls for our members that are stuck at the side of the road, because that's obviously the most dangerous. So that's our priority at this point. We'll certainly come out and help any of our members as quickly as possible. But you want to have an emergency road kit in your car. I know a few years ago, we had some traffic on 95 where people were basically paralyzed. So you don't want to leave out without having an emergency road kit. This contains a few things inside: a first aid kit, as well as jumper cables, things like that. You want to make sure that you have a fully charged cell phone with you. You want to make sure that you have it's charged, and that you have a charger with you to continue to keep it charged should you become disabled at the roadside. You want to be able to stay warm, so you should have gloves, you should have a hat, you should have a blanket. So these are things that you certainly want to have in your emergency road kit, as well as a scraper, ice scraper,
so
and
handy.
a brush. Yes, you also want to have, and I have those right with me right now, some triangles or flares, something reflective, so that other drivers can see you. You also want to have something that would provide some sort of traction, be it sand, ice melt, or kitty litter should you become stuck on the ice. And you want to make sure that your windshield is clear, and that you have good windshield wiper blades, and that your windshield wiper fluid is full as well.
Really great advice, especially the kitty litter there. I mean, there's so much to do to prepare to make sure you stay safe. A question for AAA: how do you make decisions with resources on your end as you respond now to these calls picking up?
Sure, absolutely. So as I mentioned earlier, certainly our priority will be those drivers that are on the side of the roadway, on a highway, where there might be obviously more traffic. We want to prioritize with safety always in mind, safety for our members as well as safety for our drivers. Really want to use this as an opportunity to remind drivers about the slow down, move over laws, and making sure that you're slowing down. And if you're on a highway, moving over one lane if it's safe to do so, to give our first responders, our police, our tow truck operators safe space to help come and service you should that be the case. And in Maryland and Virginia, that law now applies to disabled drivers at the side of the road as well, not just our first responders.
Such a great reminder. Regina Ali with AAA, thank you so much for your great tips and your safety reminders here, and for joining us on WJLA 24/7 News.
Sure. Thank you so much. Be safe out there.
Thank you. We will. You too as well. And of course,